on the dataset, on the file, and you'll get the path to your data. Hi there, in this video we're going to see how to set up your Colab account and how to connect your Colab account to your Google Drive account. So just click on this button, code. You're going to have the new cell. It's so similar to the Jupyter notebook, so you don't have to be worried if you already know how to work with the Jupyter notebooks. And then you need to copy and paste this code in this cell and run it. You will be asked to connect to the Google Drive. Once you gave the permission to the Google Colab to get in the Google Drive, you're gonna have this message on the cell. The next you need is to import our dataset. So for this we will need pandas. Once we have pandas loaded on our working environment, if you don't have the pandas installed, you can do pip install pandas. Then we are going to indicate where our dataset is placed. So to do so, you're gonna go to this. You're gonna click on this button. Then you have Drive. On the My Drive, if you go to the My Drive, you will see all the datasets that you have on all the files, including the datasets that you have on your My Drive. Then you're gonna copy and paste on the dataset on the file, and you'll get the path to your dataset. So basically, you're gonna have something like this. This is going to be your path. And make sure that the backslash is correct, otherwise you're not gonna be able to get your dataset. We're commenting that for now, and then we are reading our CSV file. So we are copying and pasting this part in our CSV read. Well, before going forward, I would love to mention two functions of the reading the CSV file. First is indicated in the index column. So we already know that the beforehand we already know that the index column is the name. So we are indicating the column's name. It's gonna be our index. It's the name column. And then what we're gonna do with the NA values. There is a function that you indicate that my NA values are assigned like this in my dataset. So unfortunately, not all datasets have the standard NA value, aka missing values, set as the NA, but sometimes it has some value. In this case, I'm indicating that if you see this value, it's gonna be my NA value. Then, in order to check what we have on our dataset, we do head. Here we are.